I did a little bit, but I just paddled back. Now come back this way and I'll take your picture.